In this video, we explore the floor analysis module within Kaizen Copilot. We start by uploading a video of an assembly cell together with some metadata about the process. We specify the piece of the video that we need analyzed, followed by the overall work area that we want to analyze, as well as the individual workstations. We specify the dimensions of the overall work area, as well as the expected positions of the individual workers. The software asks us to select workers or merge different instances of the same worker. On the results page, we can look at the spaghetti diagram of the overall motion that took place within the cycle, string diagram, as well as the recommended floor layout that would minimize the walking time within a cycle for the operators. We can also look at the from-to chart, which gives us either the number of moves or the distance traveled when going from one station to another, as well as number of findings. Here, the system has recommended us an alternative floor layout, which would reduce the walking time from 75 feet to 63 feet. The software also calculates the route that is taken by every operator. Now we zoom in on an individual operator to analyze the walking time, working time, and idle time for that operator, as well as their spaghetti diagram. We can also look at the time spent by the operator on each individual workstation.